Hey guys, welcome back. ZRP top shock mount. So let's do this. Should be an easy process. All you need is 10mm socket and 10mm ratchet. Two of these in the bottom. There we go. And there's a spacer in there. So make sure you take the little spacer out. There you go. So there's two of those. I already took the one off on the other side. So we're done with that. So 18 mil. What I did was took the jack and I lifted a little bit of weight off the shocks. So if they go up, I'll just crank a little bit of the weight. If they go down, I'll let the shock down. I'll let the jack down. So let's try this out. Okay. Holy smokes. Yeah. They're tight in there. Hopefully the shock doesn't go flying. Okay, we can use the impact now. That fell in the back. I'm gonna grab it before I lose it. It's an annoying spot. Oh shit. Yeah. This is a tight fit back there. Alright, so let's just remove the other side first before we go see what's going to happen once we remove them. That way there we can figure out the project as we go. So obviously this is going to be too tight. There we go. Alright. Use the impact again, speed things up. Alright, let's see if we can grab it underneath it before it falls. Put your finger underneath it and pull it out. Seems to work a little easier. Now let's see if shocks will pop out from the top. Actually, I'd rather if I lift up the shocks off the ground, they can't pop up, right? They can only go down. Feels like it's solid on there. I don't know. Yeah, so jack it up as much as you can. I put 2 blocks and jacked it up. The tires are still touching the ground. That's to give you an idea of how high you have to jack it. You have to really spread it because yeah, shock went right through the top. So yeah, that was got lucky. Didn't do much. Scraped a little bit. The little line here is these things here that you spin. Grab just the lip on the edge and the shock went up. Didn't break my windshield washer thingy or nothing. So that's why I guess most people probably hide that from you. But crank it up, and it's better that the shock wants to go down than go through the top and grab onto the plastics or something and break something. So yeah, that's what I recommend anyways. So line up one hole, line up your shock hole. Line up the other shock. So rubber hammer, I guess. So make sure you lift up so you don't scrape your corners when you pop it in. And then I'll use the drill to actually bring it in. Lift up. There we go. There we go. So now, yeah, maybe we shouldn't have pushed them in before putting the nut back there. Yeah. So, I guess let's grab a flat screwdriver or something. Grab a ratchet so I can push on it. Oops, don't break my windshield. Alright, just a little bit. Do the same thing on the other side. So don't put them all the way in. Alright, so yeah, that's not gonna work. So really? I'm not gonna stick more than that. Jeez, is that ever a tight fit? No, well, I guess it's try to get your fingers on there and not drop it in there. And start it by hand. I can't get that out. You got small fingers, babe. You might want to get your wife to help you on this one. There we go. I'll probably drop it again, but try 2 hands. Okay. And do this. straight. So 2 fingers, one on each side, pressing, turning, and then spin it on. There we go. And then we'll tighten it after. Now let's try the other side. Same way, I guess. So you make sure you got a little bit of thread sticking out in the back, like so. Just a little bit of threads there, sticking out. And then you can start it by hand. Probably won't see it. Oh. But why this side have to be that easy? Because it's the right side to grab it on? Yeah. Or maybe once you know what you're doing. Okay. So now they were tight, so we'll make them tight. I don't know how many pounds of torque. All I know is I gave it 95% of or 80% of what I can give it. So. There we go. And now for these, don't forget your spacer in the middle because of the rubber bushing. 10mm, nut in the back. Bottom ones are easier to do than the top ones. Lots of room back there. Yeah, talked too soon. Almost dropped it. All right. Grab the impact. Ten millimeter with an extension. 10mm from the back. She's tight. Yeah, that ain't going nowhere. So, move the stands. Put those there after the shocks went through the tops. Make sure you didn't have them again. It would have helped if the bike would have been in park, if the side by side would have been in park. So, yeah. There we go. Brush it back down. Put the hood back on. And that's what you get. So I'll wipe the hood clean. You don't see all my handprints there on it. So that's it for that. So upper shock mount, it's a breeze. Make sure you jack it up. 2 4-inch blocks and crank it up that the tires are barely touching the ground. Should give you the proper height. And if you don't, well, the shock will shoot straight out and not fun. So thanks for watching again. Hope you guys like this. This is a little short video, quick, easy. So we'll catch you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe and put your things present, because you know, like I said, somebody's gonna get a present at 1,000. So appreciate you guys all. Like you guys have been subscribing like more than I've ever seen. So for me, it's it keeps me going and keeps me making videos, because believe it or not, I'm not the best at making videos, so it takes me forever to make a video. So, and I'm gone all week for work, so this is my weekend. I chew it up just to shoot it out to you guys. So all right, so thanks a lot, and be safe, you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Yeah.
It's a multi.